We'll guide you through how to create a ChatGPT profile picture. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the profile icon in the lower left corner of the screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select Profile Settings. Now, you'll see an option to upload a profile picture. Click on the Upload button and a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your computer files. Choose the image you want to use as your profile picture. Keep in mind that it's best to use a square image to ensure it fits well and displays correctly. Once you've selected your image, the website will give you a chance to crop it. Adjust the crop box to focus on the main part of the image you want to display. When you're satisfied with how it looks, click Apply to save the changes. Your new profile picture should now be visible on your ChatGPT account. It's a good idea to use a clear and recognizable image, especially if you're using ChatGPT for professional purposes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.